In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move an image freely in a document for ultimate clarity and readability. Whether you're preparing a presentation, crafting a report, or just want to make a document visually appealing, positioning images correctly can help immensely. So let's dive right in and explore how we can achieve this with just a few clicks. First, what you want to do is insert or click on the specific image you want to move within your document. You might have multiple images, so make sure you select the correct one, as this will ensure everything else runs smoothly. Now, once you've chosen the image, pay attention to the little layout options icon that appears nearby. This icon is your gateway to seemingly effortless image movement and positioning. Clicking on this icon will reveal several layout and wrapping options. Here's where the magic happens. To freely move your image around, you'll need to select a wrapping style that doesn't confine the image to just a single line or position. One handy option is selecting in front of text. With this setting, your image will float above the text, allowing you to drag it wherever you please. Another alternative is behind text, which lets the image rest neatly behind any document content, still able to be moved as desired. You might be dealing with intricately formatted documents, and for that, a square or tight wrapping option might be more suitable. These styles allow the text to wrap snugly around the image, providing a more integrated appearance, yet still granting you more flexibility than the in-line with text option offers. Once you've decided on the wrapping style that best suits your needs, simply click and drag your image around your document. It's as easy as that. However, if you're looking for some extra precision, you can move the image incrementally. This is where the arrow keys come in handy. To fine-tune your image's position, try tapping these keys, and for even greater control, hold down the Control key as you move your image. For those of you who seek exactitude and need your image positioned precisely down to the millimeter, there's an option for that too. After right-clicking the image, select Size and Position. Alternatively, you can go through Format, then Position, and finally click on More Layout Options. Here, within the Position tab, you'll find fields where you can specify exact values, effectively positioning your image relative to the page or its margins. This meticulous approach ensures that your document retains a professional, orderly look. And there you have it. A straightforward way to make your documents visually engaging by moving images freely. Remember, taking a few moments to adjust the placement of your images can have a substantial impact on the clarity and appeal of your document, so don't hesitate to experiment with these settings. Thank you for joining, and happy editing.